here too technical. So we all know a lot of people are complaining about apps not being optimized the right way for your Samsung Z Fold 8, but I do have a way to solve that problem. So pretty much you want to open, if your device is in this mode, you just want to open up your device, and then you want to go to your settings app, and you want to type in labs. Once you type in labs, you want to make sure you click on labs. You want to make sure you go to landscape view for portrait apps. So once you're in this, pretty much this forces apps that normally only support portrait view to display in landscape view when your phone is being held horizontal. When this is turned on, some apps may not fill the entire screen. So you want to just come through here and find some of those apps that you use that are not being able to be in landscape mode. One big one is Facebook. So I'm going to type in Facebook. I'm going to go check it and get out of that. So now when I open up Facebook, it is opening up fully. I don't have to use it in this angle. You can use it in this angle still, but if you turn it around just like that, you have access to Facebook, and it doesn't look bad at all to me. Of course, some of the developers have not made apps to run on this device yet, but Samsung and the developers, will have them slowly trickle to the device. But if you want a quick fix, just go to the labs, make sure you check Facebook, and whatever app that does not already use that capability, make sure you check them on, and you will be good to go. Hope you found this video helpful. I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.